Alright, so now we are going to install Assetfinder. Just copy it. Assetfinder is also a tool that works like a subfinder. So you just need to type Assetfinder GitHub, and no, the thing is, wow, I'm installing multiple tools to find subdomains. Well, it is important. I'll teach you in the next upcoming tutorials that why we need multiple tools. So the thing is, we need to just we need to copy the command, but the thing is, yeah, they have installed, they have given us this, so just copy it. Here we have install method, so just copy it and then just paste it in the terminal. Just control shift and v. So basically I think the command is pretty not working for us. The most easy way to do this, you just need to type AWSET asset finder, and it will tell you, hey, it is not installed, but do you want to install it? I will say yes, I want to do it. So it will automatically install Assetfinder for us, and literally there is no need to move this tool, because it will be already moved to user bin directory. Just type asset finder for the second time, and you can see that the color has been changed, which means that the Assetfinder is working for us. So this is how you can install Assetfinder to discover sub.
Guys, you can enroll for my cybersecurity premium bootcamp. Master the art of cybersecurity in one course. It have everything that you need, each and everything. So it is officially available at masoodsec.com. You can just simply visit the masoodsec.com, and then you can just simply come to the course area, and in the course area you will find my course. So you can just simply look for it. Okay. So if you want it, let me know. Just contact with me. I'm going to enroll you for this course. So yeah, it have everything, so you can just click on WhatsApp, you will be directly redirected to my WhatsApp number, or even though you can contact me on LinkedIn or Facebook if you want it.